For 75 years, the CSIR National Chemical Laboratory has stood as a beacon of innovation and excellence in India's scientific landscape. Guided by the visionary ideals of its founders, to advance knowledge and apply chemical science for the good of the people, NCL has transformed science into solutions that have shaped our lives. The Archives and Science Museum is a tribute to this rich heritage. It celebrates NCL's exceptional achievements in chemical and allied sciences. It also highlights NCL's vital role in advancing both Indian and global industries. The museum features 3 galleries, each telling a unique story. The Ancient Indian Chemistry Gallery invites you on a journey to explore advancements in alchemy, perfumery, and metallurgy. Our heritage offers a glimpse into the journey of NCL over the past 7 decades. NCL's multidisciplinary approach has transformed fundamental science into innovative solutions for strategic sectors. By partnering with both Indian and global industries, NCL has addressed some of society's most pressing challenges. This gallery honors NCL's contributions during the Bhopal gas disaster, celebrates its distinguished Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar and Padma awardees, and commemorates the visits of notable dignitaries who have witnessed the lab's enduring legacy. The NCL Roadmap offers an inspiring overview of the laboratory's futuristic, technology-driven research, organized into 7 themes. Clean energy focuses on the production and storage of green hydrogen, anion exchange membrane electrolyzers, sodium-ion batteries, and proton exchange membrane fuel cells, paving the way for a cleaner, energy-secure future. C1 Chemistry explores the transformation of one-carbon compounds into valuable chemicals and fuels. Circular economy and sustainable chemical industry aim to reduce waste and enhance resource efficiency. Biomass research encompasses advancements that convert organic matter into chemicals, materials and fuels. Agritech boosts farming. Biotherapeutics advance drug therapies. The gallery highlights NCL's innovative spin-offs and features the Venture Center, India's premier deep tech business incubator. NCL's digital archives enhance accessibility and engagement, inspiring generations to come.